Let's discuss the use of Control plus Shift plus alphabets in the AutoCAD. So first I'll go for Control plus Shift plus C. For that I'll select an object and I'll click Control Shift C. In that it will ask you specify the base point. Let me select the base point. We can select the base point anywhere in the object. Let me select this one. Then I'll go for Control V. When I'll do Control V, so which point we have selected, based on that we can paste the object. Now if I'll do only by Control C command, the Control C will be it will show us like it's the same object. If I click it, enter it, then you can see Control V. When you go, it will select the origin point, not the point what we want to select. Okay. The next one is Control Shift H. The Control Shift H is used to hide and open the toolbars. You can see the toolbars are hidden now. If I click again, the toolbars are opened here. The next one is Control Shift I. Control Shift I is actually infer constants on and infer constants off. So what is this infer constants off and on? Here if I draw a line, then you can see the line is drawn here with some constants here. Okay, with some constants the line was drawn. What are the constants are there? This is a vertical line. So the line constants here vertical, and this is a perpendicular to each other, so that the constants came here. So if you want any kind of constants in that drawing, we can switch on that, or else if you don't want, we can switch off by Control Shift I. Now I can draw a line very smoothly without any kind of constants here. The next one is Control Shift L. The Control Shift L, if I click, then it will show us which object we have selected in the last drawing. So in the previous one we have selected this rectangular one, that's why it was highlighted here. The next one is Control Shift S. The Control Shift S is used to save the drawings with the new names or in the new locations. The next one is Control Shift V. Already I have shown you like how we can copy and how we can paste here. The next one is Control Shift Tab. The Control Shift Tab is actually used to go for the next tab. Suppose here we can see start, drawing 1, drawing 2, 3 tabs are there. We are in the drawing 1 tab. Now if I click Control Shift Tab, it will go to the start. Then if I click again, it will go to the drawing 2. If I come back again, just Control Shift Tab, we can come back to the drawing 1. This is the Control Shift Tab. That means switching between the how many drawing sheet we have opened, it will switch one by one. The next one is Control Page Down. Control Page Down is it will be switch the next tab in the current drawing. So here you can see model 1, layout 1, layout 2. So if I go for Control Page Down, it will go to the layout 2. Again, it will come back to the previous one. Then we need to click Control Page Up. Again, Control Page Up. These are the tools are used in the Control plus Shift plus alphabets in the AutoCAD.